Welcome, boating enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the latest technological advancements in two-passenger boats. From cutting-edge materials to smart navigation systems, these innovations are changing the game for recreational and personal watercraft. If you love staying updated on the latest in boating tech, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more updates. Modern two-passenger boats are being built with advanced materials like carbon fiber and graphene composites. These materials make boats lighter, faster, and more fuel-efficient without compromising durability. Imagine gliding over the water with ease while using less energy. What's the lightest or most durable boat material you've heard of? Share your thoughts in the comments. The shift toward eco-friendly boating is here. Many two-passenger boats now feature electric or hybrid propulsion systems, combining quiet operation with reduced emissions. Some models even have solar panels for extended range and off-grid adventures. Are you interested in electric boating? Let me know in the comments if you'd consider going green on the water. Two-passenger boats are smarter than ever. Features like GPS autopilot, collision avoidance systems, and real-time weather updates are making boating safer and more accessible. Some models even offer smartphone integration, so you can control your boat with a tap. Have you tried any smart navigation systems? Share your experience below. Today's boats aren't just functional, they're designed with comfort in mind. Ergonomic seating, modular layouts, and customizable options let you tailor your boat to fit your adventures. Whether you're fishing, cruising, or just relaxing, these boats make every trip enjoyable. What features would you add to your dream two-passenger boat? Let us know in the comments. Two-passenger boats are also excelling in space efficiency. Hidden storage compartments, foldable seats, and multi-use spaces maximize usability without adding bulk. It's amazing how much can fit into such a compact design. What's the most innovative storage solution you've seen in a boat? Drop your ideas below. Technology is redefining what two-passenger boats can do, making them smarter, greener, and more versatile than ever. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed learning about these innovations, give this video a thumbs up and share it with a fellow boating enthusiast. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the latest in boating technology. See you on the water.